There are many laptop tote bag products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best laptop tote bags from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Laptop tote bag. Rating 4.6. A large compartment for folders, files or books. 6 pockets to store notebook or other stuff. Padded separated layer for 15.6 laptop. iPad or folders. 3 slots for pen. 2 insulated pockets. Help keep food, drinks, temperature. Hamburger, hot coffee or cold cola when teacher is busy. Exterior pockets. 6 pockets in total, including 3 pockets in the front to store notebook, pencil, pen, et. 2 zipper pockets and 1 open pocket. 2 mesh pockets in both sides for bottle and umbrella. An anti-thief pocket on the back to keep smartphone. Multi-purpose. It can be a professional teacher bag or a laptop tote bag. It can be used for traveling, going to shopping. It's a great choice for personal usage or as an ideal gift. Number 4. Be Smart Business Laptop Bag. Rating 4.7. The bags has extra heavy inner layer foam to protect computer from bumps and scrapes. Also there is a Velcro to fix the position of computer, prevent slipping. Convenient for carrying a MacBook, laptop, notebook, Ultrabook or Chromebook up to 15.6 inches and other items while working. A luggage strap allows the laptop bag hangs on the luggage suitcase. It also can be closed as a pouch for keep daily use. It is a great choice for business, travel, work, college. Removable and adjustable padded shoulder strap and sturdy polyester handles assure you comfort carrying for a long time. Classic color enhances a minimalist look. Suitable for a business trip and daily routine. Elegant briefcase for any businessmen and businesswomen. Number 3. Bagsart Women Tote Bag. Rating 4.7. Generously sized. 16x6x13. Fits 15.6-inch laptops, tablets, iPad, magazines and more. Ultra lightweight. Weighs only 1.3 pounds. Lightweight and soft nylon fabric. Makes carrying more comfortable. Yoga mat strap included. Yoga mat buckle makes it easy to carry your yoga mat. The most convenient way to carry your yoga mat. Large capacity. Spacious compartment can hold your clothes, cosmetics, documents and other items you need. Side easy access pockets for your water bottle, umbrella, etc. Versatile tote. It can be used as a work bag, laptop bag, gym bag, tote bag, casual shoulder bag, or travel bag. Suitable for work, travel, shopping, gym and more occasion. Number 2. Mson Laptop Tote Bag. Rating 4.9. Mson laptop bag made of high-quality quilted canvas and durable leather, offers water repellent and wear resistance advantage. The exterior of the tote bag adopts quilting technology, combined with metal locks, to convey a classic and fashionable appearance and feel. Stable bottom for better load-bearing backpack. Large capacity design. The laptop tote bag for women divided into 3 parts. A padded pocket for 15.6-inch laptops, and an iPad pocket, provides a thick padded section. The padded design can protect your laptop from accidental impacts and scratches, and the large opening design makes it easier to place things in the handbag. The backpack features a large zippered pocket for personal items, a sliding pocket, and a pen pocket for storing your ID card, wallet, and more. Number 1. Lavabook Laptop Bags. Rating 4.9. Crafted for convenience, this laptop tote bag seamlessly transitions from a professional work bags for women to casual shopping bag or teacher bag. Laptop purse of detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. Offers comfort and style, ensuring you carry your essentials with ease, no matter the destination. Fashion meets functionality. Expertly crafted with sophisticated embroidery on high-quality waterproof polyester and PU fabric, this laptop tote bag for women stands out in terms of both durability and style. Its reinforced base and side padding not only provide added protection, but also help maintain the laptop bag's shape, preventing any spills. Additionally, the inclusion of protective studs on the base guards against dirt and wear, preserving the bag's pristine condition. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.